Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will share with you how you can change payment limited and ANZ Bank. So guys, actually this is easy how you can do. Just go to your application if you have mobile or a browser on web and click log into your account, and after that go to profile icon, and on your home page go to your profile and find option payment setting and simply tap on payment setting, and you will get the first the list option, and you want to select limit like update for security. However, you need to authentication using your access pin and your face ID. Then go to authorization depending to your device, and you have recently authenticated. And so before making payments, you know to limit is 5,000 included payment to be SP, and account number will anytime limit above $30,000 temporary and apply to payment until 12 p.m. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe for more content.